you're planning gifts for multiple people, occasions, or events, you've probably noticed how quickly things can get messy between ideas, budgets, purchases, and deliveries. In this video, I'll show you how this Google Sheets gift tracker helps you organize your entire gifting process in one clear, structured system. You'll learn how to set up your gifting plan, organize your recipients and ideas, track your budget, what you actually spend, stay on top of each gift from purchase to delivery, and use the dashboard to see everything at a glance. For this walkthrough, we'll use the light mode version of the template. You can adjust the zoom level in Google Sheets at any time to make it easier to navigate. If you haven't downloaded your template yet, you'll find the link in the description below. A dark mode version is also available if you prefer that style. Alright, let's get started by a quick review of the README tab. The README tab is your starting point for getting the most out of your template. Think of it as your quick reference guide whenever you need help or a refresher. Here, you'll find links to helpful resources so you can get familiar with the tracker in minutes, important notes about spreadsheet access and protected tabs, a link to create a fresh copy of the template, and step-by-step written instructions, with examples and screenshots that you can review directly from this tab. Anytime you're unsure what to enter or how a section works, you can always come back here for guidance. Once you're familiar with the template, you can hide this tab to keep your workspace clean. To hide it, right-click the README tab and select Hide Sheet. You can unhide it at any time by clicking the three-line menu, selecting README, and making it visible again if you need a refresher. Let's head to the Gift Tracker tab. The Gift Tracker is an all-in-one Google Sheets template to plan, organize, and track your gifts. It helps you manage recipients, budgets, and progress so you can stay on track and avoid last-minute stress. The tab is organized into three main sections. The main dashboard section gives you a quick summary of your gifting plan, including budget, spending, and progress. Filters help you quickly narrow down your data. And the Gift Tracker table where you enter and manage each gift. There are plenty of moments throughout the year that call for gifting, holidays, birthdays, anniversaries, and more. To keep everything organized, you can create a separate tab for each occasion. Start by duplicating the main tracker tab. Right-click on the tab name, click Duplicate, and rename the new tab based on your occasion, for example, Christmas, birthdays, client gifts. Each duplicated tab acts as its own tracker, so you can manage every occasion separately while keeping your dashboard clean and easy to read. At the top of the tab, complete the setup. Choose your currency from the drop-down. This will format all budget and cost values across the tracker. And enter your event date. The event date is your main deadline when gifts need to be ready or delivered. Once entered, the tracker will automatically calculate the number of days left and update the countdown bar. The Gift Tracker table is the main log for your gifts. Each row represents one gift. Start by entering the gift details. For each gift, add a recipient. Select a group like family, friend, coworker, etc. Enter the gift name or idea. Select the gift type like physical item, gift card, experience, etc. And add the store name or purchase receipts. Enter a budget for the gift and the actual amount spent. Purple cells and column contains formula. Do not edit them manually. The tracker will automatically calculate the difference and highlight if you are over budget. Use the checkboxes to update status and indicate if the gift is bought, wrapped, and delivered. Rate time updates will automatically reflect in the dashboard. Then, track how each gift will be delivered. You can select from mail, email, or in person. Add an address or email and optionally notes. When you are within 7 days of the event, the countdown and unpurchased gifts are highlighted to help you prioritize. As your gift list grows, filters help you focus on what needs action. To use filters, hover over any of filter buttons and click on All. You can apply conditions. select or clear options to hide certain values, and combine multiple filters for more specific views. For example, filter gift budget over $100. Using budget filter with condition is greater than 100. Show gifts to buy only, using the bought filter and selecting false. Or view family gifts not yet purchased, combining the group filter and selecting family with the bought filter and selecting false. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your gifting plan, so you can quickly assess whether you are on track. Use it to monitor total number of gifts, gifts already bought, gifts left to buy, progress, total budget and cost, and remaining budget. Compare your planned budget with actual cost. Use the drop-down to view by recipient or group and quickly spot where you are over budget. Understand your gifting plan at a glance and quickly spot patterns. Who are you buying for the most, and what type of gifts you purchase the most? And that's it. You now have a complete system to plan your gifts, track your budget, and manage your entire gifting process, all in one place. From adding gift ideas to tracking purchases and deliveries, each part of this tracker works together to give you full visibility and control over your gifting plan. If you ever want to revisit a section, use the chapter timestamps below or refer back to the README tab in the spreadsheet. And if you haven't downloaded your template yet, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more organized gifting experience.